I'm back. This is Jaleesa and I'm here taking you guys on a journey with me. I'm here at the Broad. There's an art exhibit going on and art is my favorite thing. So I want to take you along with me, show you some things. I'm super duper excited. Come on. So we're here and we're in the middle of everything and all my I'm gonna talk about two paintings, but I'm gonna chop this up, so forgive me because I'm nervous talking about his artwork. I'm literally shaking and I'm so excited, but I'm gonna talk about it. So this painting, clearly, first thing you see is a chef. But then closer. You see how he did these footprints all over. And this is real canvas. It looks like a door because and you see the eggs, but the eggs are red. Paint's coming up. There's footprints all over it. Hi, Joe. Say hi to Joe. Say hi to Joe. And then let's talk about this one. It's hard to decipher. Like, his artwork is so gritty and it gets into a mind that is fogged, but not fogged. I just so you see the chains, and then you see the words of asbestos and obnoxious and liberals, not for sale. Gold. I see bars in the background. It's like a barred window. I see this guy has chains. It's just beautiful. I love it. I don't know who he is, but he looks like Cool J Soul. I'm very just really taken in this artwork. I see going on. I want you guys to tell me if you see it, but I see a girl, female, and she's on all fours. I'm gonna point out how I'm seeing it so you can see what I see. Her head. The rounding of her throat. You see it? So we're done. I had an awesome time. I hope you guys did too. I saw everything that I wanted. Oh my god. The Basquiat exhibit. Oh my god. I'm so excited for that. Woo. It's windy out here, but it's nice out here. The sun is shining bright. I'm just having a really good day. Like, art makes me a very, very happy person, and I'm glad I could bring you along with this experience. I hope that you feel just as bright and bubbly as I do. Thank you guys for coming with me. We came across this beautiful park on our way back to our Airbnb, so of course I pulled over, parked the car, and we went for a stroll. Made it out to Rodeo Drive. It was one of my things on my to-do list. And I came at the perfect time because it's late. All the stores are closed and nobody's here. So I'm getting loads of footage with no one here. I can't really go into the stores, but most of these stores are out of my budget anyway. So, how beautiful is it?
Oh, come here. It's not open. Oh, hey, she's filming.
Am I right? Am I wrong? No, I'm wrong. 1964. Hey. Forgot to record day 5, but we didn't do much of anything. We were exhausted and we had an early flight, so all we did was get food, gas, and head straight to the airport. Back to NYC we go, but I want to show you the car we drove. So we're returning the car. This is what we had. We rented. It held up really good for us because it was a hybrid. I literally only spent $11 on gas for the entire trip. Literally, the entire trip was only $11. I'm gonna give you a quick view of the inside because we have to leave, but thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell, baby. This way you will be notified of my future videos to come. Bye-bye.